Hi, it's Anthony here. Just to let you know, this is the real me. I'm not a digital avatar. Trading is tough, no doubt. It looks easy when you look at the charts in hindsight, buy here, sell here. But when it comes down to it, not many people are able to stay consistently profitable. There's unlimited money out there, guys. This is a massive ocean of money running through the currency markets. Trillions of dollars, right? All you need is that one little tap set up to siphon out a tiny percentage of that, and that can be life-changing. So, I mean, if you've been finding it tough, the volatility, in the markets, I'm here to show you how this system that I've put together I started trading in the early 2000s. And, what I have is a culmination of all my experiences, what I've been through. And I'm pleased to say that I have a system now that I'm able to offer others that, it can make a difference. If you're really wanting to grow your account, it's possible to definitely set up an income stream by trading the currency markets. That's what I do. And in this video, I'm going to show you what I have to offer and how you can benefit from what I have now. With what I'm going to show you here, you can grow an account, but more than that, you can really leverage, trade a prop firm account or trade multiple prop firm accounts. And there's a really easy way to do it. First up, I've set up here in Discord, I'll show you this channel down here where I post daily trade ideas. Really simple instructions. It's as easy as paint by numbers. You can see the instruction here. Look at this. This was the original post. Look for two signals. We need the momentum sink and the indicator below to give us a green line crossing up red. That's it. We need a momentum sink bullish signal. Let's just start with that. When I post an idea like this, let's just go to it. In fact, we'll just click on that. Here it is here. Set a bullish momentum sink alert. That's it. Just set the alert. When it goes off, take the trade. Done. That's all you got to do. So we'll go and have a look at the outcome. Gold. Well, this was it, I think. Let's just go back. In any case, let's just go to the charts. The sort of thing that I'm going to post in that in my Discord channel is something like this. Okay, so we don't know what's coming. Okay, we're here, and we don't know that after this, we've got whatever's coming, right? We don't know. So this rallies, and I will take a screenshot of that, and what you get is an instruction like, okay, guys, this has rallied. Wait for the pullback and take the next momentum sink, which is this indicator here, buy signal. There it is there. You just set the alert, and when that goes off, just take the trade. Okay, you've got an option to place your stop loss here, or here. Up to you. You've got your stop loss levels. You've got your entry. It's very simple. The target, I'm going to say, go for broke, but maybe look to take 50% off the table at 1R, and then leave the rest in. Move your stop loss up a little bit if you like, right? That's it. It's a very simple strategy. We just follow the instructions, and what we do is then we potentially look to build on this as this trend continues. Right? That's the idea. We get in early on the week, and then we trade this. When you open a new one, take 50% off the last one, that sort of thing. So you'll gain access to the indicators, the alerts, my ideas in here, and gives you some sense of independence insofar as, you're working this yourself. And with my daily mentorship videos that I post in here, okay, we look at all the signals from the day before, plus another buy-sell signal, blah, 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 okay? This is a full mentorship. So we go over all the trades and we look at new opportunities. So if you follow this and you have the ability to be disciplined, follow a strategy. I've got a trading plan here for you. That makes money. Be independent. And here's where it gets really interesting. What you can do is set up this in TradingView as a master account, right? I use Pepperstone C Trader. Or if you're just trading crypto, you can connect to your broker here, but if you want to build a prop firm account or trade multiple accounts, this is the way to do it. You can set up CTrader. Pepperstone CTrader is really good because it's compatible with Trade Copier programs, right? So I use this as a master account. I do all my trading here on TradingView. I'll take that trade, create an order, blah, blah, blah. Okay, got to open a thing, right? Now, all my trading is done here. And I've set this up as a master account there's two programs. There's Duplicium, my favorite, and then there's Traders Connect. And, if you want to reach out to me, I'll give you all the info you need. And then set this up as a master account, and then you can connect multiple prop firm accounts. Start off slow with one prop firm account and copy from this. So you're just trading on here over to that. And if you've got a Forex account you want to throw in there as well, set that up as a slave account. So you can set up multiple slave accounts and trade off this. Now, here's where it gets interesting. I don't know how adventurous you are. I mean, you might just want to trade one account and be done with it, right? But, if you want to expand, well, the fivers, rather than risking your own money, here, look down the bottom. You could spend, to start off with, it's $95, right? And then you go through these 3 phases, right? If you want that. There's other options out there. Get through these, and then you reach a $100,000 funded account. Once you can get through these, you are a profitable trader. Use my system with the indicators, the ideas. Get onto a $100,000 account. And at that point, then, okay, you're going to invest $205. It's a fantastic offer. There's other prop firms if you prefer. But get to the point where you're trading $100,000. And I think they've got a thing where they'll pay you up to 100%. Well, even if it's a 90% profit share, okay, let's just, some of them, there might be an 80%, right? Well, let's just take that out. At every 10% target reached on $100,000, and you've invested $300, you make $8,000. So here's where people come to me and they ask me, I've got $200, I've got $300. A 10% on $300 is going to return you $30. 10% when you gain, even if you're receiving an 80% profit share on $100,000, is $8,000. So with that $300 invested, you could be making $8,000 on a 10% gain rather than $30. And some of them are 90% profit share, $9,000, or in some cases 100%. All right, so it just makes more sense to do that. Now, they'll allow you to open a couple of accounts, but you can open, other prop firms, spread it out. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 300, 3 of these running. Let's just assume, you're on a 80% profit share or something like that, and you've got $300,000 worth of a prop firm going on. You're going to make over $20,000 in a month, or let's just not assume that with every 10% gain. So it just makes so much sense. Anyway, that's what's possible. I like these guys. There's a link below to join, and I do have a list of others. Now, the prop firm needs to be okay with you copying from a personal account to your prop firm account. The fivers, last time I spoke with them, they're okay with that. You can copy from your personal account onto the prop firm account. Okay. Now, I do have a list of others. You can reach out to me and I can send that to you. So here's my offer to you. Join VIP, trial it for free. Just go for the silver level if you want to trade manually. The gold level is for people who want to connect their Forex account through TS Copier. But I would say, if you want to trade a prop firm account, this is it. And you try it for 7 days. See that you can be profitable first. Copying my signals, taking my ideas, copying my trade ideas, and when you can show that you're good with this, it's only $29.95 a month after that. It's going to go up, but you could lock that in now and take on the 7-day trial and make a difference. I've been looking at the Fivers Bootcamp here. Okay, the initial cost is $95. And then you get through these 3 phases, and then eventually, when you're ready for the big one, the balance is $205, and you start getting paid. So take advantage of this and change your life. I mean, you'll either see this opportunity or you won't. And if you have the ability to be a little bit disciplined, follow it's a trading plan. It's a full trading plan that I have here. You could do extremely well. Okay. So with that, I hope you have a great day. Safe trading. I'll see you in the next one.